Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. So I'm on the floors, as you can imagine, this and why it's pushing a box around on the floor. So this is a BarkBox. I thought we could all use a bit of a fun escape and something a little bit funnier than I normally bring you. And I decided to do a BarkBox. And Wyatt, you guys can't see him. He is like pushing this box around on the floor right now. It came in a bigger box than normal because I think I put an add-on in here. Xena is trying to find a treat I took from her to get her attention to come down here, which I have behind us. So she is totally engaged in trying to get that treat. Aren't you, Xena? Aren't you? Here's this treat. So these are the busy bones I've spoken of so many times that my dogs love so very much. And this is what I call doggy crack because she loves these things so very much. She will do just about anything for these. And she tries to talk the entire family into giving them to her on a regular basis. So my husband gave this to her before she left today. And she's been hanging on to it. But if I give it to her, she might leave and not come back. All right, anyway, I have this fun box here. This is a BarkBox, and we need to open it. I'm sure Wyatt will try to open it for me. You're going to do it the hard way, buddy. Let me do it the easy way. Come on, don't hurt yourself. Why? There's an easy way. There's an easy way here, buddy. There's an easy way. All right, so here's the actual BarkBox. BarkBox is a subscription for dogs. It is based on the size of your dog for the cost. So Wyatt's size is $21 a month. You normally get 2 bags of treats, an extra treat, and 2 toys with that. They also do offer each month for you to be able to double it up if you would like, as well as if you want to do any add-ons. And that is why this came in this bigger box, because I did an add-on this month. Wyatt didn't find it in here, but it's in here. I thought this was so cute for Easter. Okay, he's finding it now. You want to get it out, buddy? Show everybody what we got? This was so cute. It's so cute. I think it was like $10 for the add-on. And let's show everybody. You ready? It's so cute. It's Dig and Spring little Easter eggs. Is that not the cutest thing? Let me cut the tags off for you, buddy. Okay. So it says the Easter Buddies right there. I'll give it to you. It says Squeak Me. What did your dog, okay, it says, what did your dog think? It's a t-shirt rope, multi-part 3 dog toys in 1, 2 squeakers. All right, let me cut it. Let me cut it out of the plastic. Hold on, I'll get it. Hold on. Oh, hold on, buddy. Almost. Xena's still eating that busy bone. All right, why? I got 2 of them out. The eggs come out. Did you notice? Are those not so cute? Look how cute. I love these. So I thought he would like them. They came in this fun little Easter basket. Oh, we're never going to get through this video because I have extra stuff to show you today as well. All right, anyway. Okay, he likes the basket too. All right. So that was an add-in I thought would be fun. And we still have the BarkBox to do. And I still have this fun box behind me to share with you. So we got to get through this. Love BarkBox. It always comes with a very fun theme for the puppers, and they love it. My sidekicks love this box, as you can see. Wyatt loves toys. Xena loves treats, which she's already halfway through that busy bone, but she's already feeling like maybe she is missing out on something over there. Do you see her? Do you want to come join us? So this month's theme, it says Australian Outback. You can come join us, little miss. And now, this is so cute. It says, oi, your doggo's latest adventure takes them to the wildest place in the world. This obviously has an Australian accent, which I don't have, so. Play with the strangest beast on the planet. Put another shrimp on the Barbie. And don't didgeridoo on the carpet. Look how cute. That's what I'm reading. Crocodile Dog D, Australian Outbark, and Tara BarkBox. Are you coming? I see you still have part of that, Zena. All right, so this is adorable. Thank you for being a part of our pack. This month's BarkBox experience was inspired by Australia's unique beauty and wildlife. We are as devastated as the rest of the world in light of the recent tragic events. We find ourselves an opportunity to stay and do something to make a difference. So they're talking about, at Bark, we always celebrate dogs and humans that go above and beyond. When we heard the story of the Australian dog Bear, we were inspired to support his efforts. Bear and his canine comrades help detect koalas in order to preserve their ecosystem. Due to the brush fires, Bear and his colleagues are deployed to find koalas to bring them to safety and receive medical treatment. To help Bear in the work, we're donating $25,000 to IFAW's Koala Dog Detection Program. On top of that, we'll also donate an additional $1 for each new BarkBox subscription made in the month of March. So we encourage you to go to ifaw.org to learn more about it. Anyway, so that's what this is all about in order to help everything that's been happening in Australia with the brush fires. So awesome. And let's see, first up, Yobo Wombat. Look how cute he is. Wyatt's still working on those Easter eggs, so he hasn't noticed this toy yet. All right, let's see what he says. Okay, wait. Oh, okay, wait. All right, I'll let you take it. We'll look at the next one. Zena's still working on that busy bun. Oh, look how cute, the little koala. How cute is that? This is Topanga Kanga, and it crinkles, disc squeaks, and treat holding. That is so cute. So you're supposed to put a little treat inside her little pouch. Is that not cute? I love it. These are for small dogs. It says this ruse got a boomin' disc squeaka and the crinkle to drive your doggo wild. Tuck some grub in her pouch to make a tasty playtime mate. So cute. So Wyatt's getting distracted. I'll read what the other one says when he comes for this one. There we go. Can we trade? All right. And this one says it also crinkles. There's a toy inside. Toy inside. There's a question mark. Toy inside? Where would there be a toy inside? I'm not sure I follow what that means. Let's see. It says, crikey, if your doggo gets too feisty and with this wombat, you'll find a surprise down under, a squeaky bonus toy. Nature's full of wonder mate. I don't know what that means. How do we find the toy inside, Wyatt? All right, you need to figure that one out, buddy. All right, so we also got a salmon stick and 2 bags of treats. Turkey pumpkin stew. This is turkey recipe dog treats. Okay, you guys see Zena's starting to get interested now because we talked about treats. Huh, Zena? Look at that. Okay. And we also got, I know, Ripper Chicky Parm chicken recipe dog treats with tomato and carrots. And these are all free range, grain free, and made in the U.S. You want a treat now? You didn't finish that other treat you were working on. How cute is this? I love the themes for this. All right, you want a treat? Yeah. Okay. 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 Oh, these are cute. This is the turkey pumpkin stew. Are you coming? Come here. Come. Quit barking at me and come. All right, you see. Do you see how she sat? I always make them sit before I give a treat. Good girl, Zena. All right. That is all the fun that came inside the BarkBox. How awesome is this? I love BarkBox. They are so much fun. It brings the puppers so much joy. The Sidekicks, this is the Sidekicks' very, very favorite subscription box, as you can imagine. So I'm going to stick one of these treats inside here. Isn't that cute? Do you think Wyatt's going to find it? He didn't even realize there's one in there. Wyatt, what's inside here? Look inside there. What's inside there? I think now he knows. Okay, you work on that. Okay, so I have one more thing to share with you. So I was so excited because Bodhi Dog, which is a family-owned pet supply company out of Austin, Texas, reached out to me and asked me if I'd be willing to do a review of a few of their items. And when I checked out their reviews on Amazon, because they also sell their products on Amazon, I was willing to give their products a review because obviously with the puppers, I need dog supplies on a regular basis. And they do sell dog and cat supplies. So I asked for some of the supplies that I use for Wyatt and Xena on a regular basis, and they sent me a few items which I have been using for the puppers. So I could give a chance to review them with you guys right now. And what I got to share with you are things that, like I said, I use on a regular basis. First of all, carpet cleaner. I use carpet cleaner for these pups all the time. They run in with dirty feet. I don't catch them. I try to catch them as soon as they walk in the house, but I'm not always so lucky. They also have a tendency to drink too fast and then will like throw up on the carpet for some reason. I don't know why. It doesn't happen every day, but it does happen occasionally. They do this once in a while. And the occasional spots, right? This is awesome. So this is Pet Stain and Odor Remover. Perfect. I've used it on my carpet. It smells really good. It works really well. And it's only $9.99. So it's not a bad price. And it's a big bottle. So this is a 32 full ounce bottle. Not a bad price. So I am used to grabbing it at Walmart. Much smaller bottles, like $8. This is a really great deal. So I've been using it and I'm happy with it. Really great. Next is a pair of the Bodhi Dog pet wipes. I had not tried these before, but I was super intrigued by these because they go out, the dogs go outside. They love to, Wyatt especially loves to like roll in the grass. And after it's been snowy, rainy, damp, muddy, I just wipe it usually down with a towel. This gives me a chance to actually use pet wipes. And I don't like to use Lysol or Clorox wipes on him because he licks his paws. So these are 100% cotton, 100% non-toxic, 100% alcohol-free, 100% naturally derived ingredients, safe for sensitive skin, hypoallergenic, no parabens, pleasant lavender scent, and safe for you, your pet, and the planet. So I love these. They smell wonderful. You can wipe them off and they smell fantastic and don't have that wet dog scent. And they're just like a regular wipe. Fantastic. These are only $8.97. All right, and then my son loved this and was constantly spraying the dog. Along the same lines, I got this little pet cologne. And this scent is baby powder. Again, through the winter, stinky dog smells. Loved this. This is only $11.99. A little bit goes a long way. I had to tell my child, quit spraying it on the dog. But a little bit goes a long way, and they smell delicious. You just want to bury your nose in them. And last but not least, and I don't know if you guys have any incontinent dogs, but Wyatt, as much of a little angel as he can be, can sometimes be bad when we leave the house. My husband doesn't always like leaving his crate when we leave. He'll like to leave him free because we might only be leaving for an hour. But he gets a little bit stressed when we leave, and he will sometimes pee in the house. So I always buy male wraps for Wyatt because he cannot be trusted, and I will put doggy diapers on him basically. These are fantastic to make sure that you don't come home to a mess and have to use more carpet cleaner than you were planning. This package is 20 of them. They go a long way. This package is only $14.99. This is really comparable, in fact, a little bit cheaper than what I usually get them for, like at Walmart. And they look like this. Looks just like a diaper. They're not for number 2. They're for number 1. You just put them right on the dog, cover up, you know, you know what? Come here, Bubby. Show them how this works. Wyatt he doesn't love them. He doesn't hate them. I will warn you that sometimes, especially if you're going to leave them on for a long period of time, and you want to make sure that they don't try to get them off, because at times Wyatt will try to take this off. He doesn't always love it. Here's what it looks like. It's just like a diaper. But now I know that I can leave the house, leave him home for hours. This will catch anything. He can pee in this for quite some time, and I don't have to worry about it. I have a little trick that I use in case I'm going to be gone for like more than an hour or so. if I think even overnight, if he's having some major issues, because he sometimes has some anxiety issues, I will put a, this is going to sound really funny, but a baby onesie on him, because it fits perfect. A onesie has a lot of stretch to them. It fits on the dog. I don't know why. You only have to cut a little hole for the tail out of it, and then he can't rub off the diaper, because he'll want to rub this off. Sometimes he'll rub up against a chair and try to rub the diaper off. You put a baby onesie on over top of this, it can't come off. So for those of you that might have incontinent dogs, this is a perfect solution. Anyway, these are my items that I got from Bodhi Dog. I absolutely love each and every one of these. These are useful products for my puppers, and the Wyatt's like, why do you have this on me? This is so embarrassing, aren't you, huh, buddy? And Zena's like, I'm leaving because I don't want her putting one of these on me. Zena's pretty good. We usually don't have an issue with her. Wyatt gets a little bit too excited. Perfect items. I love all of these. I wanted to share them with you in case you have any need for any of these for your furry sidekicks. I will put links to all of them down below in case you want to check any of them out. The prices are super reasonable. They shipped really fast, and I've had some great success with them. So happy to share them with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending time with me and the sidekicks today. Zena's back. She finished all her treats. I will put my link down below to BarkBox as well. And yeah, please consider hitting that like button. Would love you to hang out and hit that subscribe button. And please let me know what you think. I'd love to hear what you think about this video, about BarkBox, about the Bodhi Dog products. Please share with me. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye. What's up?